Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for crude oil, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 2840. So we expected crude oil to stay in downtrend, having 2860 2900 as a major resistance zone. Till 2900 we expected crude oil to stay in downtrend. Since the price of crude oil had dropped a lot, we want to wait for the price to hit key resistance zone, then go for a selling so that your stop loss will be minimum. Right after the price opening, you could see the price came down to hit 2920. Initially it was in line with the downtrend, but again there was some pullback towards 2860. Price consolidated here for a very long time. After then there was a breakout to reach the key zone, and the price triggered all our stops. So it was completely dominated by the buyers. After that, we can say there was some news behind it, but we don't follow that. So there was a great pressure, so the price went up, shooted up till 3000 and finally closed near 3000. So we can say yesterday's market was completely outperformed by buyers. Things didn't went according to our plan, apart from the few selling that happened around 2860. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. So what I'm going to do, in order to have some clarity, I'm going to decrease the scale so that we can get some idea. So I had decreased the scale. This is how the crude oil market looks. So right from 3360 there was a continuous drop towards 2800, and just a pullback in a single day. Now it looks like a correction. We cannot say completely that this is a correction or reversal in trend, but now it looks quite acceptable because there was some profit booking. We cannot say whether the yesterday's market buying was a beginning of the short-term uptrend or it is just a correction. So in order to identify that, we need to do some testing. Now we can say the price from 2800 went up till 3000, but the fall, if we consider the great fall, it is not even, it has crossed 50% of the retracement level. Now I am going to increase the scale. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Today you can expect crude oil to open near 3000. Somewhere near the same zone where it closed on the previous day. So we were left with few opportunities other than testing the crude oil market. So what we can do is, you can go for buying. Since we've put a lot of focus on the last 3 days price action, we can say there are possibilities that the crude oil price can go for buying today, but we need to test that completely. In order to test that completely, you can go for buying till 2920 by placing your stop loss below that with the expected target of 3060. And if you remember, in this particular contract, price had taken a very good resistance around 3060. So there is no other way other than testing. Even whenever the price is hitting, even if you get a good profit, you can book at regular intervals. So today we are expecting crude oil to stay in buying with all those words of caution. Have your mind. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.